Deserted. This is beautiful. Hey! Evening, fellas. Ben back again. This video is just a simple ride, nothing serious. I'm on ECR and we are just going to be riding and having a good time. That's about it. Deserted. This is beautiful. Indeed, some cool landscape, man. Pretty cool. ஐயா அப்படி வழி இருக்குங்களா? அப்படிங்களா? அந்த பக்கமா? இது இந்த வண்டி மணல்ல போயிடும். அப்படி எடுத்துடலாம் அந்த ரோட்டுக்கு. There we go. Riding on sand. Hey! Perks of exploration. இவ்வளவுதானா? இதுக்கப்புறம் இல்லையா? இதுக்கு மேல பைக்ல முடியாது. ஹை, அது அழகா இருக்கு. அது என்னது அங்க டேமா? டேம் இல்ல, அது எறா வளர்க்குற இடம். அது சென்ட்ரல் கவர்மெண்ட். அப்படிங்களா? எறா வளர்க்குற இந்த காவா தான் இது. ஓ, இது அப்படியே போயிட்டு ஸ்ட்ரைட்டா போயிட்டு அப்படியே ரைட் கட் பண்ணி போனாக்கா அது அந்த பீச் ஆண்ட போலாம். ஓகே. ஓ, நான் இந்த பக்கம் வந்துட்டேன். Oh, there we go. Off-road again. Crazy. Love this life. Love it. simply remarkable. Don't dig in. Nope. Be a good boy. Hey, pufferfish. I don't know if you guys know what this is. This is pufferfish. These fellas, all of them dead. Don't really know why. Don't know why they die like that. But you find them quite a lot on these beaches. Look at that fella. And look at all these machines. I just love taking boats into the water. I've had my fair share of navigating with boats growing up. And just love the fact that, you know, it works the other way around. The way, you know, you navigate in water is just the opposite of how you navigate on road. So anyways, all that's for another day. Someday when we get on a boat and we do what we do. Lovely, isn't it? Lovely, the sight, the setting sun, this beautiful sky, clean sky after a long time. And the mighty Himalayan, the tractor that can do sand, the tractor that can do just about anything. Take it anywhere, point and shoot, like I've always said. It's a point and shoot motorcycle. Doesn't really fly, that's about it. The only thing that is a drawback to some, not to me. I have had faster motorcycles, so I kind of, you know, I have gone backwards. I've gotten myself a motorcycle which is way more slow and calm and composed compared to the fast motorcycles that I had. So definitely no complaints from my side. But many of you want more and more and more power and more performance, more acceleration, more top speed, and the Himi is not meant for that. The Himi is meant for things like this, effortlessly chugging its way just about anywhere. It's a go anywhere motorcycle, no two ways about it. Anybody thinks otherwise, then that would simply be because it's a wrongly set up motorcycle, maybe not suited for your ergonomics, or the machine itself has flaws in it, and, you know, it has to be worked on and fixed. But the way this machine is, my Himi, I am just in awe of this motorcycle every single time I mount it and I'm riding around with it. So lovely piece of thought, and what a product. Just puts a smile on my face every single time. And the best part is I can drop it 100,000 times, no problems. You can just lift it, look for the things that have become bent and taken a hit, and just fix it for pittance. Sun setting. Me having a good time. I live about 5 kilometers from here, so I'll get back home in some time. And yeah, this is life, isn't it, guys? Just as pretty as it gets. Thank you, life. Thank you, beautiful sky. Thank you for just being awesome, amazing, lovely. See you guys on another one. This is Ben signing out for now. Ciao.